Welcome back to my crazy. It's Boxy Charm time. So, just to fill y'all in on what's going on with me right at this second, it is super early in the morning. It's actually still dark outside. A nightmare woke me up and I couldn't go back to sleep. Didn't want to go back to sleep because I was a little, And so then I thought, well, I'm up. Might as well go do Boxy. And I can't open Boxy. Even though my Boxies come so late, I cannot open my Boxies without you guys. So I put on a little face. And now we're here to chase this box. But let me tell you about my nightmare. And it's the second one that I've had within the last few nights that kids keep getting either attempted kidnapping or they actually get away with them in my face. And so this last one, it was awful. It was awful. We saw them, we were outside. It was two little girls and a little boy. And I'm saying a little boy and a little girl because I really can't associate whose kids they were. I think they were my two girls and my brother's little boy. And they were all on these little bicycles. And I saw this man coming down the street and he was coming really fast on a bicycle. So I said to the girls, get up here, get up here, get up here. And then the little boy was down further closer to the street and there was like a bunch of little trees. Actually, the whole setting was at how my grandparents' house used to look. But so he was down by the bushes and the trees. And so then I said, and you too. Actually, his name was Jeremy. And we said, Jeremy, and you too. But he was little. He had to be like 2 years old. You too. And so then my brother's coming on this side and he's yelling for him to come up. And he gets almost to us. And the man on the bicycle is just like, we blink and he's right there and he's grabbing Jeremy. And then my brother is saying, come on, man. And so he's struggling with the man trying to get Jeremy out of his arms. And then I come and he's almost getting away. And then I come from around there was something here, and I come from around and I grab him by the collar and I'm pulling on him and he's almost getting away from me. And then I woke up. That's the second kind of time I've had a dream like that, and it just creeps me out. So I'm not really sure what's going on there, but I made myself wake up and then I was like, okay, we're done sleeping for today. So here we are. And after this, we're going to have a little splash of Torrid, and I'll explain to you why it's just a splash after we get into this box. I'm done rambling. I will open the box now. Well, aren't they snazzy? That's a big old thing there. Okay, let's do this first. It's the card all bent up, Boxy. Boxy Charm Candy Shop. Ooh, I like that. No, I don't like it. Save the date. Enjoy exclusive members-only discounts in our online pop-up. Okay, so I don't know if you can really see the card, but it appears to be like a candy card, but it's not. Look closer. You'll see a hand with blood, some scissors. Yeah, that's a little creepy, but I guess it is Halloween time, so. Okay, let's just get into the box because that's what we're doing. So, Boxy. Here we go. Now, oops, this one I kind of like. I have one of these already and I haven't used it, but now that I got a second one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the other one. So if you don't know, this is Spongella, and Spongella is like one of those spongy thingies, and I think it already has like soap in it or stuff like that. But yeah, okay, how about I just read what it is instead of like guess and pretend like I know what I'm talking about, even though I really don't. I'm just going by commercials that I see. So this is Spongella or Spongelli. Spongelli has collaborated with Boxy Charm to create limited edition body wash infused buffers. See, I knew a little. These buffers with built-in body wash are infused with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss. Ooh, do you know what edelweiss is? Edelweiss. One day I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm thinking about doing a get to know me video. And that edelweiss needs to go in the get to know me video. We ain't got time for that story right now. But it's got yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver root to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. So you know I need to be doing that because I need all the spas I can get at home. This retails for $20. What I don't know, and it's vegan, yay, and it's for all types of skin, it's cruelty-free. What I don't know, and maybe there's paper inside to tell you how many uses do you get out of this thing. It kind of looks, let's see, ooh, that one smells good. The first one I got, I didn't really care too much for the smell, and I thought maybe it was the plastic one, but this is wrapped in plastic, and it, that smells good. Y'all ought to know me by now. You know I like smells, and if you're new to my channel, you're gonna have to get used to the fact that I'm obsessed with smelly stuff, good smelly stuff. But it's like a, it looks like a piece of cake. Okay, I'm sorry, but that looks like cake. That smells good, and there's no instructions. So how do you know how long these things use? Do I need to Google that? I guess I do. Well, that's good. Oh, it's cherry. Cherry Tonka Musk. I need to look at the other one I have and see what smell it is. This is what caught my eye because look at the size. That's a full size Murad. I'll tell you, I've used this once, and it was after I canceled my Proactive, and I was in between washes and didn't know what I was going to use. So I got, you know, this system. I can't say that it, what is this? Oh, it's an exfoliating cleanser, because I need to exfoliate every day, but my skin, if I exfoliate every day, it doesn't like it. So, but anyways, I love exfoliators. And I can't say that it was bad. I can't say it was good, but yeah, I went back to Proactive. But what I will say is I bought this serum, and it's supposed to be like this spot lightener serum, like it lightens dark spots and age spots and spotty spots. That thing was $65. The bottle is like that big. $65. First of all, when I saw the price, I was like, oh my God, $65. Who is buying that for $65? Well, me, of course, because I thought, you know, it's going to work. Okay, well, I got makeup on, but it didn't work. It didn't work. So, you know, if y'all know something, leave it in the comments. I did see this video last week of this lady doing a turmeric mask for like a week, and she says it lightens spots. So I got to get me some, we're going to the store today, and I got to get me some vegan honey, because it was honey, lemon, and turmeric. So I got to get me some vegan honey, and then I'm going to do that mask for like a week and see if it does anything. We'll see. And I might just record that each day. I know what this is. Oh, wait. I didn't read the mirror. Early mornings. I don't know if I should do them again. Murad. This multitasking cleansing exfoliant is an ideal addition to your cleansing regimen. 2 to 3 times a week, chemical and physical exfoliation helps clear dull, dry skin and improves penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps optimize skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. It talks a good talk, so we're gonna try it out. Oops, well, oh, but it comes all, oh, I like the packaging. I like that packaging. It says breakfast in bed. Yes, isn't it? And it's an eyeshadow palette. Okay, so we're gonna see what this says. Breakfast. Oh, this Murad, it retails for $40. This $40. So this Breakfast in Bed Bakery's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transition touch-up. Retails for $38. And that makes me wonder, is this like a nude palette? Which I don't care. I like nudes. And it's not a nude palette. I'm not really sure if I like the colors. I have a lot of these colors downstairs, but the packaging is really cute. But I almost think that I'm probably gonna save that for a giveaway. It's okay. I love the packaging. Now, it's breakfast in bed. Oh, well, breakfast in bed. Yawning, forehead kisses, pajamas, French doors, boo and view, messy hair, fresh face, cuddle cakes, and lazy baby. Cute names. Yeah, I think I'm going to save that for a giveaway. That's kind of a cute little giveaway. We have, which I love this packaging, Soulmate, which must be the color. Oh, Brazilian Kiss. Ooh, Janeira. If y'all know that brand, that's they make that bum bum cream. De Janeiro, a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of capucucu butter. That ain't what it says, but that's what I said. Acai and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with scrumptious aroma of dolce de leche. That doesn't say leche, but I don't know what that is. Lychee? Whatever. Retails for $20. So, you know, I'm all about your lip moistures because, you know, I have a gazillion. I'm always buying them. Cute packaging. Loving the packaging. Their tops on here are just like their tops on their creams. So, let's see. I like that color. I mean, it smells like chocolatey something. Nothing extra spectacular, but I do like that color. So, ooh. Hello, Liz. I'm so simple. Okay. And then our last item. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. It just seems so fast. Grown Alchemist. Grown Alchemist. A lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving skin with a matte finish and increased clarity. Retails for $69. So let's take this thing out. And just look at it. Oh, and it's kind of like a, I'm not really sure what you call that, like a metally, it's not plastic. It's vegan and it's, I'm really, really, really happy that Boxy is doing a lot of vegan products because now I don't have to like feel bad on whether I'll get something that's not vegan or whatnot. But I mean, they get, the majority is vegan. And we cannot do a smell because it's closed. And I don't really want to open it because I have a lot of other moisturizers that are open right now. And you know, after you open your products, it tells you how long it's good once it's open. And this one is good only for 12 months once it's open. So we're not going to open that one right now. All right. Well, that's Boxy. We got some facial moisturizer. And we got a lip tinter. We got an eyeshadow palette. And we've got Murad exfoliator. And then we got a Spongelie. Cute, cute. Okay, let's just talk about the box for a second here. It's not a bad box, but it wasn't a great box. It was just a boxy box. So, I'm not complaining. I love the products. I use the products. So yeah, I think you should try Boxy out. Try Boxy out. Let's just do this. So, this is my small, teeny, tiny splash of Torrid, and the reason why I don't feel like I need to do a full haul because this whole bag just contains leggings. So I went on and I ordered like all the sweatshirts, and then I thought, I want those leggings. And so it was still while they were doing the buy one get one 50% off. So I thought, oh, I'm gonna buy all these leggings, and then I got something to wear with each sweatshirt. But anyhow, they didn't come in with the sweatshirt, so they came in. I picked them up yesterday. Here's the first pair. If you can see that pattern. I don't know if the light is glaring. Let me just try that. So, what makes ours better? Torrid has pretty good leggings. I like their leggings. So, oh, I was holding it all upside down, but there's the picture of the girl wearing them. So, and I got a size. Now, I'm a little nervous because I thought I got 2s. I got some 2s. I got these in a 3. My other Torrid leggings are size 2. And I wore mine a pair yesterday, and I was like, oh, these are great, which I'm going to wear another pair today. These are great, so I probably should have stuck with 2. But, you know, hey, it's a legging. You can put it in the dryer if it's too big. And then I got this pair, which I think is kind of cute. I can probably pass these off for work. You know, put a pair of knee-high boots, or not knee-high, but higher boots. These are a size 2. And there's the pattern on those. And then, oh, honey, what you doing? And then we got this pattern, which is like another plaid. Oh, I like those too. Oh, those are so cute. Can I wear them all today? These are so cute. I like that. So these are a size 2 as well. And then these. I saw these and I was like, I have to have those. Let me show you. Can I get them out of the bag? Gosh. Look at those. It's so excited. I'm so excited. These are so cute. I like them. I was a little nervous about how they would feel, but they feel just nice. Oh yeah, I like these. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear them. Am I wearing these today? Survey says we'll have to see. So yeah, that was my mini Torrid. It was just a bunch of leggings. So that was Boxy with a splash of Torrid. Stay tuned because we have our Shein haul number 2. I still have to do Old Navy, but you know, Old Navy's Old Navy, so Old Navy can wait. They're just Old Navy. But I have Shein number 2, and I'm thinking about releasing that one very soon because I need to get the stuff tried on to see if I'm going to return anything. I'm kind of excited because I went outside the box just a smidge on that order, so we'll see how it all pans out. But anyways, thank you for joining me for my October Boxy Charm and Splash of Torrid. So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, good night, good morning. Okay, good night. See you in my next one.